Want to move your favorite tracks from a Tecno phone to an iPhone? It may sound tricky, but with the right tools, it's simple. In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to transfer music from Tecno to iPhone. Part 1. Transfer music from Tecno to iPhone with phone transfer. Transferring music from your Tecno phone to an iPhone can be tricky due to the differences in operating systems. However, using a reliable data transfer tool can make it easy. We highly recommend phone transfer for this task. Just download phone transfer for free and follow the steps to easily move your music from Tecno to iPhone. Step 1. Connect your Tecno phone and iPhone to your computer using USB cables. Open phone transfer and it will automatically detect both devices. Step 2. Make sure your Tecno phone, the source device, is displayed on the home screen. If not, you'll need to click the drop-down button to switch devices. Step 3. Select the music section in the left column. Check the boxes for the songs you want to transfer, then click Export to Device, and select your iPhone as the destination device. The software will begin transferring the music to your iPhone. Part 2. Copy music from Tecno to iPhone via Windows File Explorer. Connect your Tecno phone to your Windows computer using a USB cable. Open the File Explorer on your PC and locate your Tecno device under this PC. Go to the Music folder on your Tecno phone and copy the songs you want to transfer. Now, connect your iPhone to the PC and open the iTunes or Apple Music window. In iTunes, go to your device, then open the Music section. Drag and drop the copied music files into the Music section of your iPhone in iTunes. Sync the iPhone to transfer the music. Once done, you can safely eject. Part 3. Transfer music from Tecno to iPhone with Google Drive. On Tecno, open Google Drive Plus to upload music. On iPhone, open Drive. Sign in with same account, find and stream or download songs. Part 4. Move music from Tecno to iPhone via Android file transfer. Connect Tecno to Mac via USB. Open Android file transfer. Copy music to Mac. Open iTunes or Music app. Drag songs in sync to iPhone.